Welcome back. After the verdict of the Supreme Court on the issue of the disqualification of the MLAs in the Shinde faction, the delegation of the Uddhav faction of the Sena is likely to meet Assembly Speaker Rahul Narwekar, who is returning from London today. Now, the Supreme Court has asked Narwekar to take a call on the petition of disqualification of 16 MLAs. Now, all eyes are on the Speaker's actions. Meanwhile, NCP Chief Sharad Pawar has chaired a key meet. This took place on Sunday with prominent Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi leaders in attendance, including Uddhav Thackeray, Ajit Pawar and Nana Patole.
हमारे महाराष्ट्र में अभी इन दिनों में जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने निर्णय दिया है, महाराष्ट्र के पिछले दिनों में जो घटना हुई विधिमंडल में, विधानसभा में, उसके बारे में, डिफेक्शन के बारे में, इसके बारे में जो चर्चा हुई, वो उसका भी जो निर्णय हुआ उसकी भी चर्चा हमने अभी मीटिंग में की। जो निर्णय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दिया है उसके बारे में हर मुद्दे की चर्चा सविस्तर स्तर पे यहाँ पे हुई।
We have our reporters News 18's Mayuresh and CNN News 18's Mumbai Bureau Chief Vinaya joining us. Vinaya, I'm going to come to you first. Why exactly? Could you explain why all eyes are on the Speaker today?
Well, Aisha, the most important reason is that after the Supreme Court's verdict, we see that the disqualification plea of the 16 MLAs has now landed back into the Speaker's court itself. So after the Speaker returns today, it will be decided as to what steps he will take. Remember, he's going to land here only at 2:10 in the afternoon. Thereafter, by the time he's out of the airport, it will be probably 3:30. There's no official program as such that he has kept for today. But most likely, this will also lead to snowballing that whole process, which will now begin, wherein the disqualification plea of the 16 MLAs, including Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, will be in his court. This is a crucial juncture in Maharashtra politics because remember, after the Supreme Court has clearly stated in its verdict, which was given in the Maharashtra power tussle, that the authority will lie with the Speaker with respect to disqualification plea. There has been a constant pressure that has been built by the opposition. We have seen Uddhav Thackeray speak about it time and again, appealing and also saying that in case the Speaker does not take any just decision, then that will again pave way for a legal battle for this opposition, particularly the Shiv Sena led by Uddhav Thackeray. So clearly it's part two of a battle which will now begin in Maharashtra. The first one was a long-gone battle where Uddhav Thackeray had knocked on the Supreme Court's door seeking disqualification of the 16 MLAs who jumped ship, saying that they had disobeyed the party orders. Now that the ball is in the Speaker's court, all eyes are on Rahul Narwekar, who lands in Mumbai today. Remember, he was on an official tour of the UK for the last 4 days, from where he had spoken to the media. Even before going for the UK tour, if we remember, he had spoken to Mayuresh saying that it will be his decision alone and the court will not be able to intervene within the jurisdiction of the legislature, and that is exactly what the court has upheld. So in some sense, it's a shot in the arm for him. After he comes down, that process will soon begin, leading to another chapter in Maharashtra politics, and that's why, Aisha, it's important to see what happens after the Maharashtra Speaker returns and lands in Mumbai today.
Absolutely, Vinaya. Thank you so much for bringing us those details. Do stay with us. We have some breaking news coming in. We're learning that Uddhav faction leader Anup Parab will be going to the State Assembly at 11 a.m. today to meet the Speaker and submit a letter to expedite a procedure of disqualification petition. We're going to be crossing over to Mayuresh to get us more details on this. Mayuresh, over to you.
Absolutely, at 11 a.m. today, Uddhav Thackeray faction leader Anup Parab will be going to the Maharashtra State Assembly to submit a letter to Speaker or his office. Basically, this letter is about to expedite the procedure of petition which they have filed in his office about the disqualification of 16 MLAs, which includes the Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde also. If you remember, we just heard Vinaya was explaining us that what exactly is the scenario and why the Speaker's role is important here. So just to expedite this procedure, they are going to request the Speaker with this kind of a letter. And we are, as I